In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Asana task list. If you're someone who manages a lot of projects on Asana and likes having a physical copy of your task list, this guide is for you. Printing your task list can help you keep track of your tasks without having to constantly check your computer or mobile device. Whether you're the type who likes to scribble notes, highlight important tasks, or just prefer having a tangible task sheet by your side, this step-by-step method will make printing from Asana a breeze. First, let's begin by opening your project or simply navigating to My Tasks in Asana. This is the starting point because it contains an organized view of all your work laid out just the way you last set it. If you haven't already logged into your Asana account, make sure to do so. Once you've logged in, select the project that contains the list you want to print. Your project page should now be open, displaying all the tasks related to that specific project. Next, scroll or navigate to find the specific task within the project that you'd like to print a list from. This is important as opening the task enables additional options for how you'd like to manage it. Once you have located your desired task, click on it to open up the details. Usually the task detail includes a description, any added attachments, due dates, and the option to add comments or make edits. In the top right corner of the task view, look for a menu represented by 3 dots, which is commonly referred to as the More Options menu in many applications. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several additional features you can use. This is where Asana stores multiple task management options that aren't immediately visible in the regular task view. From the drop-down menu, select Print. By choosing this option, you'll open the Print dialog window. Typically, this print preview will show you exactly how your task list will appear on paper. It's always good to double-check things like the print layout, page orientation, and the range of pages you want printed if it applies to multiple tasks. Once you're satisfied with the preview and the print settings, proceed to print the document by selecting Print within your computer's dialog box. Be sure your printer is connected and has the necessary paper loaded. And that's it. You'll now have a printed copy of your Asana task list ready to review and keep at your workspace. So now you know how easy it is to print your Asana task list whenever you need a hard copy. This can be particularly beneficial for teams who need to discuss tasks during meetings or for personal records. Remember, being organized digitally doesn't mean you can't also enjoy the benefits of having a physical copy. Thank you for watching and happy organizing with Asana.